Welcome to Chris T's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken Caesar salad. You will need 2 anchovy fillets, 1 garlic clove, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2½ tablespoons of water, 15 grams of finely grated Parmesan cheese, 1 chicken breast, 2 large splashes of sunflower oil, an iceberg lettuce, 10 cherry tomatoes, 65 grams of cucumber, 1 small roll of ciabatta bread, and salt and pepper. Cooking method. Chop up 2 anchovy fillets and add to a mortar of a pestle and mortar. Add 1 minced garlic clove to the mortar. Pound them into a paste. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 15 grams of finely grated Parmesan cheese and 2½ tablespoons of water and stir. Leave in a fridge while doing the rest. Place 1 chicken breast in between 2 pieces of plastic wrap. Bash the chicken until it's about 1 centimeter thick. Place on a plate and season with salt and pepper. Slice off some iceberg lettuce and then slice them in the other direction. Then wash the lettuce, then dry off afterwards, as water left on the lettuce can water down the dressing. Dice 65 grams of cucumber. Place in a bowl with the lettuce. Slice 10 cherry tomatoes in half. Then add to the lettuce bowl. Sprinkle with some salt. Add 10 teaspoons of the dressing to the salad in the bowl. Then toss the salad. Slice a small roll of ciabatta bread to about 1 centimeter thick slices. Heat a splash of sunflower oil in a small frying pan. Add the chicken to the pan and fry on that side for 3 minutes. Flip over and fry for another 3 minutes. Remove from the pan and leave to rest. Add another splash of sunflower oil. Add the sliced ciabatta to the pan and fry for 1 minute. Turn over and continue to fry for 1 minute. Remove from the pan. Slice the chicken breast into thick strips and slice in half. Plate up the lettuce mix and the chicken onto a large plate or bowl. Slice the ciabatta bread to about 1 centimeter cubes. Sprinkle them on top of the salad. Add the rest of the dressing to the salad. My Chicken Caesar Salad.